Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect Gelato to Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this online guide to explain to you guys how this is done because I cannot fully set up my Etsy account without the appropriate information such as bank accounts and billing information, etc., which I cannot provide to them at this point. So I do hope you guys understand. So what you're going to do to connect Etsy to Gelato, first step is to log into your Gelato account. And before all of this, of course, the prerequisite is actually setting up your Etsy seller account. So you just need to create an account on Etsy, then click on your store manager, which is this button right over here in the top right. And this is what it'll look like. You have 6 steps to go through to name your shop preferences, name your shop, get your first listing there, then enter all your billing information and how you'll get paid, and your shop security. And once you're done with setting up your store, then you can connect to Gelato. Of course, first you need to log into your Gelato account, and then you need to go to the stores section. Once you're here, you're going to go to Etsy, as you can see on the screen right here. Click on connect, and once you do that, then you'll get this prompt over here. This will pretty much give you all the information of what Gelato is trying to do. And then once you log into your Etsy account, you can just grant the access to Gelato. And after that, you're pretty much set and you can start using Gelato in connection with Etsy. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.